Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Immediately remove all external storage devices and peripherals. This prevents false boot attempts. Now reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI using the indicated key for your machine. Once inside, you change the boot order so the internal system disk is first. Also verify whether the system expects UEFI or legacy mode and switch if necessary. These steps force the firmware to target the correct drive and often reveal whether the issue is configuration or disk level. Once the firmware points at the right disk, boot recovery media so you can inspect the drive without relying on the broken OS. You run file system utilities like chkdsk or fsck and vendor diagnostics to verify smart and surface health. This shows whether the disk is failing. If the disk is healthy, repair the bootloader. On Windows, use bcdboot and bcdedit. On Linux, reinstall grub and run update grub. These actions rebuild the link between firmware, bootloader, and operating system files so the machine can load properly. You finalize by saving BIOS changes and reconnecting only the internal drive, confirming it's first in the boot order. If bootloader repairs did not work, restore a recent system image or perform a clean OS install onto the same disk to preserve firmware alignment. Make sure to secure cables and test alternate ports. A bad SATA or NVMe connector can mimic operating system missing errors. If it still fails, try the drive in another computer to separate motherboard faults from disk faults and act accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.